as he waits. Hi! You're supposed to give way when you turn across a crossing.
Sorry?
I said you... I know, but you have to give way. You have to wait.
No, I don't.
I'm going to report it. You don't have to give way.
More than 10 meters. More than 10 meters.
Doesn't matter, you still have to give way. You made me stop. You made me stop. Okay, but I'm going to report it to the Met Police. You must wait. That doesn't matter. I was going fast and you have to brake and wait in the main lane before you turn across. Go. When you get home, look it in the highway code. You are mistaken. That doesn't matter. You still have to give way. No. You have to give way. And I know you can hear me because your roof is open. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Not today. I caught him though. He didn't give way across the...
How many points for that?
No, I probably may, if they prosecute him, it would just be a driver awareness course, assuming he's eligible.
You are too fast for that.
That does make no difference. You're not allowed to make me slow down or brake. Next time you need to wait. You made me brake.
Safe, huh?
You made me brake to avoid your bad driving.
For anything it comes
You made me brake to avoid your bad driving. You need to give way before you cross.
Bad driving, slowing down, giving indicators, and you
still have to wait. You still have to wait. That's the rules. Go and look up the highway code. What do we have there? HK18 Hotel Juliet. And then you'll be on YouTube with a good lesson. It's like not acceptable, you know. They can't be doing that. And there is a lot of ignorance about turning across cycle lanes. I accept that. Lots of people think they have priority, but you don't. It's exactly like, would you turn across a bus in a bus lane? No, because the bus will punch your car across the road. The only reason people like him do it across the cycle lane is because they know the cyclist will stop and that it won't hurt their car if there ends up being a collision.